Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to activate ESPN Plus with Disney Bundle. Now, if you got a Disney Bundle through Hulu or through any other platform, then this is basically how to do it. So as you can see, this is how to do it through Hulu. So if you basically went on and if you want to activate ESPN Plus through Hulu, right, with your Disney bundle, you can click to activate via your email. So if you sign in with Hulu, you will get an email. Just click here to activate your Disney Plus ESPN accounts. Within your email, after you signed up, you need to log into your account page on Hulu. Find the activation section on the page, right? And as you can see here, you will have activate. From there, all you have to do is you have to go through the sign up process. Once you end the sign up process on Hulu, you can choose to activate Disney Plus and ESPN Plus. As you can see, this is right here. Under the start watching Hulu, you will have activate Disney Plus and ESPN Plus. Now, obviously, you can also activate Hulu. You will get a Disney Plus email, but mainly, as you can see, you will get an email, stream ESPN, stream Disney Plus, activate Hulu, right? So basically, you will receive 2 emails from Disney Plus after you sign up. So just click on the one where it says Disney Bundle Order Confirmation, as well activate Hulu right there. So after signing up, right, your Disney Plus account is good to go. You will have access to Hulu, Disney Plus, and ESPN Plus as well. So that's how easy it is to go and activate those two, as well as ESPN Plus within Disney Plus bundle. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below and we will see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.